A vast majority of students tend to play with their wrist way too low at the piano, so I'm going to show you a simple trick that's going to make sure you have the ideal wrist height every time. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name's Jonathan, and on this channel we provide practical tutorials you can implement right away to help you improve at the piano faster. A lot of students tend to play with their wrist too low like this, and notice when my wrist is this low it really inhibits the fingers. There's no way I can really comfortably play fast, passage work with my wrist this low. And so notice how my thumb is positioned with this low wrist. My thumb is almost parallel to the key playing on its side. And so our thumb is actually going to be sort of our yardstick to make sure we have the perfect wrist height every time. So we're going to adjust our wrist slightly so that the thumb is at more of an angle, almost like a 45-degree angle, playing on the corner of the thumb, of course. And a lot of people refer to this as the thumb perch because the thumb acts like a perch that holds the wrist in the right position. But now here's what happens when I show this to students. They'll play great on the thumb, and then as soon as we get to the next finger, it goes back to flat. So the key here is to keep that thumb at an angle whether it's playing or not, and that thumb will always make sure that the wrist is at that optimal height. So start paying attention to this with scales, with your pieces, until it's a habit, and then you'll have the perfect wrist height every time you play. Now that you have your wrist height, the next step is to work out that finger contact point for rock solid technique, and I cover that in this video here. I'll see you there.